Internship, week number 1. Throughout this week, we are tasked to familiarize Figma, a design and prototyping tool for software, by redesigning an existing layout and frames. This includes creating our own palette, typography, components, and overall design system. I also reinvent the layout of the given wireframe. On the first day, we had our meeting session via Zoom, where our trainers discussed about the basics of Figma, as well as the advanced concepts, and practice it by ourselves. On the second day, given an existing wireframe, we had to create our own design. And this is my own design. On the third day, we had discussed and explained the design we had created with the other interns via Zoom meeting. I learned the fundamentals of creating design and prototype of a software using Figma, such as creating color palette, creating project design styles, creating component variants, layouts, and frame linking.